Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Getting Started with Python Course Berlin, a comprehensive tutorial. Introduction. Python Course Berlin offers an excellent opportunity to learn Python programming from scratch or enhance your existing skills. In this tutorial, we'll explore what Python Course Berlin offers and provide some code examples to get you started. What is Python Course Berlin? Python Course Berlin is a comprehensive program designed to teach Python programming language to beginners and advanced learners alike. The course covers a wide range of topics, including basic Python syntax, data structures, object-oriented programming, web development, data analysis, and more. Key features of Python Course Berlin. Now, let's dive into some code examples to give you a taste of what you can learn in Python Course Berlin. Code example 1, Basic Python syntax. Code example 2, Data structures. Code example 3, Object-oriented programming, OOP. Conclusion. Python Course Berlin offers a structured and comprehensive learning experience for individuals interested in mastering Python programming. With experienced instructors, hands-on learning opportunities, and flexible scheduling, the course provides an ideal environment for both beginners and experienced programmers to enhance their skills and pursue career opportunities in the ever-growing field of Python development. Whether you're looking to build web applications, analyze data, or dive into machine learning, Python Course Berlin equips you with the knowledge and tools to succeed. ChatGPT.